Hello guys, hey, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. I want to show you two affiliate programs that pays out $300 commissions per sale. Okay, that's what I'm here to show you today. It's going to be two opportunities. But before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? For everybody else, welcome back to the channel. All right, first, I want to start with this one right here, IPS. I call it the copy-paste method. You can go check it out right now in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com, okay? This program right here teaches you the $300 a day blueprint, or how you can post pre-written ads on social media. Okay, I don't know if you know how powerful that is. Social media is free. So that's free marketing, okay, that you can do. So when you say, hey, I'm on a budget, this is perfect because you invest one time, okay, to be able to make the $300 commissions will be $325 one time. $300 goes to the person that referred you. $25 will go to the company to create your customized website. Okay, and you're able to make these $300 over and over and over. There's no pass-ups with this. There's no one-ups, any of that stuff, okay? It's just direct sales, member to member. Now, what's so wonderful about this? Because typically when you join a affiliate program, okay, or a digital marketing program, a lot of times there's no step-by-step, okay, on how to promote it, because that's the biggest challenge that most new people have. They join a program. That's easy to do. Anybody can invest some money. But now, how do I promote it? What do I do? I don't know what to do next. This has you covered, okay? Because everything is included step by step. So you get this customized page with your picture, your name, a way for people to reach you if they have a question, okay? All this, the $25 pays for this. And it explains it to people. You don't have to explain this stuff. I think one of the mistakes are people go out and they try to explain it to people. There's no need to do that, guys. We have the website that explains it for them, okay, to them. Right here, this video right here will explain the program. Then as they read through this, it explains how it works, what you get. Okay, let the systems do all the heavy lifting. Okay, so this program gives you step-by-step training. How to make $300. You get the six-figure blueprint. The CEO created this, and she included all of her secrets, if you will, on how she created the six figures for the last 5 years. So everything is here, from ads to mindset. That's the key too. You've got to get your mindset. You've got to believe in what you're doing. You got to believe in yourself. If you don't believe you can do anything, whatever it is, you're not going to be able to do it. So it includes mindset. It gives you the daily method of operation, the fast action plan, how to do what to do each day. Okay, the six-figure closing script. You get places to post ads. Where should I post? Facebook groups, Craigslist if you don't want to do social media. Okay, if you want to do YouTube, Instagram, you get an email follow-up series. It tells you how to set this thing up on on autopilot with automation. That's what I do. Okay, it also gives you TikTok marketing. Okay, 30 days of email marketing. Automate your social media growth with powerful strategies. Live trainings. You get all this. So the blueprint is here, because that's the biggest thing. When people join, they go, well, what do I do next? I don't know what to do. Here it is, step-by-step guide. Okay, I don't know if it can be any clearer than that. That's where a lot of the gray area is. Hey, I don't know how to promote it. Then the other thing I want to point out to you as well, what it shows you is how to use free marketing, which is social media. And I think a lot of people get afraid that, hey, I don't want to put this stuff on my profile, on my page. You don't have to. See, that's the thing. A lot of folks are confused in that. You don't have to put this on your page. It tells you in here the Facebook groups to go in and make your post. Okay, so this doesn't have to be on your page necessarily. Go to these groups. Depending on which package you select, it gives you a quantity of groups. Like the one I have, I'm the pro level, so I have 100 Facebook groups that I can go to. They're going to give you those links. All you have to do is click it and click join. You're in, and make your posts. They give you the images and the ads. Okay, so you just have to be consistent. Anything you do, if you want results, you have to be consistent with it. Period. That's it. Okay, that's the hardest part for people. They will start something. We all know it. Even if it's a diet, you start a week or two later, oh, I fell off, right? So if you want results, you have to remain consistent. That's what it takes. So if you remain consistent with your postings, do what this thing is telling you to do, this program, you'll get the results, guys. Okay, of course we can't guarantee you sales. I can't tell you, hey, you're definitely going to make some sales. I can tell you the possibility is here if you follow these steps, but everybody's work ethics are different. Okay, we all don't have the same work ethics, but if you get this system and you work it, continue to work it even when you see no results, you can push through it. Okay, so the possibility is here. So this program right here, the copypastemethod.com, go check it out. Okay, get the pro level, and that gives you the access, okay, and the possibility to earn $300 commissions over and over. Not to mention you will qualify to earn the $150 commissions and the $50 commissions. Okay, so that $25 will get you this website. It takes about 2 days to get your website created, okay, because they customize it to you. So soon as you join, though, I will send you an email. You will have instant access to your products, and you wait 2 days to get your link. But you get this page and explains everything. I think this is a great page. I like the colors that's put in that she used, the yellow, the blue, and the green. Okay, so this is a great system, guys. Join this, get started, learn what people are doing. This is what people are doing. Okay, they're using free marketing. And again, you do not have to chase your friends and family. You're going to go through these Facebook groups, okay, that has nothing to do with your friends and family. Or you can do Craigslist ads. There's so many things you can do, but they give you the training inside here. So this is an awesome way to do it, to make $300 commissions, and you can use your phone. You don't have to have a computer. That's what I love about this. I can literally log in to my dashboard here, get all the pictures, all the ads, and I can post straight from my phone. Okay, you can do the same as long as you have a smartphone. Let me show you the dashboard real quick, and I'll show you the other opportunity. Okay, I am in my membership area, as you can see right here, and this is what you will have as well. You can see everything I have, from the mindset, the 200 ads, the 7-day action plan, Facebook marketing strategy, Craigslist, everything I just showed you. For that pro level, I have it because I'm all in. Okay, and you can do the same. So this right here, become your own boss. You can do this even part-time if you like. But this will be a great opportunity and a way for you to start earning the $300 commission. So go check it out at the copypastemethod.com. All right, now let's go check out the other one. Okay, this is the other opportunity I have to present to you, the Postcard Tycoon. I've been an affiliate with them since 2016. WTM Pub is the company, and the owner is Eric Pantalone. Okay, he's right here. And what I love about this is it has a website. We're on it right now, so you'll have a website for this as well. It comes with 250 postcards. It comes with 250 leads. So right out the gate, you got people to mail your postcards to that's interested in making money from home. These are targeted people. These aren't just random people that have been selected. Okay, these are people that have either spent money before in a home-based business, or they've asked for information, okay, on how to make money. So the Tycoon comes with the website. It comes with this sizzle number right here, as you can see on the screen. Call it, check it out. This number is going to be on the postcards as well. I'll show you the cards as well before we get done. It comes with what they call the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. If you choose to opt out of that, they'll send you $200 commissions. Okay, so that's pretty cool. All right, so 300 over and over and over again. Like I said, it comes with this website. It comes with a starter kit, and it explains that to you on this page as well. Just read through this stuff. Very detailed information. It also has an FAQ section. Okay, so go check this out at www.thepostcarddiva.com. All right, so another way. So with this also, I like that you get 101 ways to improve direct mail. So you get this in your starter kit. Okay, now when you join me in this, I'm going to throw in an extra 500 leads just because you join me as a special bonus. I also offer ongoing one-on-one support for any programs that you ever join me in. After you join, if you have questions down the road, I'll still be here to help you. Okay, and I'm accessible. I do return my calls. If you leave me a message or if you call, I will be available to pick up the phone and speak to you. Okay, to make sure I get your questions answered. That's before and after you join. Okay, any program. Okay, so a great program. The Postcard Tycoon has been around a long time. It was created in 2016, so we're going into 7 years, just about. Okay, with this program, so it's solid. Because everybody that joins you, they put the $300 money order in your name, and it just gets forwarded to you. That's all Eric does, is forward you the money order. Okay, for this program, it's $4.98 to get in. Okay, and it tells you that on this website. So go check it out at postcarddiva.com. Okay, so $198 will go in the company's name. $300 will go in my name. Put them both in one envelope and mail them off to the company. Go to the website, you'll have all that information, and they'll get it. I recommend mailing this stuff priority so that way you can track it. Okay, you'll know when it gets to their office, and once they get it, they will forward the commissions to me, my portion. Okay, and you'll get your starter kit. So those are the two programs that I recommend. They both have websites. This one you can mail the postcards for and make those commissions. Let me show you the postcard real quick. Okay, so here are the postcards. I always have these on hand, on deck, and ready to mail out. Okay, here they are. And if you're in a direct mail business right now and you're looking for lead sources, go to www.buyerleads.info. I'll put that link below as well. And when you join, I will provide you with mailing list companies that you can use, okay, to get your cards out to people that's interested in making money online. Okay, as you can see, it's a nice card. It's in color, front and back, in color, and it's glossy. Great quality. Okay, we can get your picture put on here as well. If you join me and you're interested in that, just reach out to me. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Before you leave, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. You guys be safe out there, all right, and you have a blessed day.